we got some big news. What I've been doing over the past couple weeks, and I don't know if you'll be able to, hopefully you'll be able to hear me over the wind, but we moved. You don't realize how much stuff you have until you have to move it all. I got a lot of stuff. Here's one three-sided building there. Around, beautiful view. I'll have to get one of them fuzzy squirrel tails for the microphone, probably. Shot of the house. We are on a hilltop with very few trees in sight. And the new barn. So it's been a long road. We found out this deal was going to work out and tried to get everything moved before this stuff came, and we just got her done. Matter of fact, head out before my hand freezes. There is, well, the grain bin, the hay elevator, and the trampoline. They all got piled together by one nice windstorm last week. Really tickled with the dump truck. It made it over its maiden voyage. I got it fired up. Found out a few things that I need to do different with it. Another project truck I probably haven't shown. Another three-sided building here. I'm gonna make into my garage. Nice high ceilings in here, but no doors, so the wind howls right through here and fills the dang floor full of snow. Got the forklift mast has come in handy. And just a short video right now. I lost the charger for this camera. I couldn't find the wife's camera, so I couldn't make anything. I got just a handful of pictures of stuff that got moved. Otherwise, I just run as hard as I could, moving as much as I could. So, 275's poked in there. That lean-to there. Those clear way back, my hay wagon, you can see in there. Big tractor and spreaders back there, a metal hay wagon, silage wagon. Nice high roof in here too. So, well, yeah, that's what's been going on. Come along for the journey. Thanks.